Today at Maple Lane, we have a Portax LK. This is a 2021 model seen here in the slate gray coloring. It's the extra long version of the Portax K with 2 extra feet in front of the chest bar, giving you room to change or put extra bales of hay and lots of room for your horses to come off the trailer. This one has a horse head decor on the side, double sliding lateral windows as a standard feature. We have it set up here with the 5-foot treaded ramp. You have 2 33-inch wide stalls so that can accommodate horses from easily 14 hands up to 18, and your swiveling panel dividers to assist your horse to exit the front of the ramp and also to work with your horses on the trailer. Drop the chest bar on the left side horse for easy exit off the front ramp. Drop the chest bar for the right side horse, push the panel out of the way so that you can walk your horse across the front and line up to walk down the front ramp. This unit has the optional saddle bar, the external tie bar on the side of the trailer where you can put an English or a trail saddle on the side, and access your tack storage from the driver's side with pull-out saddle racks that will accommodate English or Western saddles. Can tuck right away. You have your broom, your shovel, a crop holder, light to be able to see things at night, and a step stool. This is the Portax LK.